Justice Velasco believes that the NTC, the NTC warning should be nullified, while the pronouncements of the Secretary of Justice is permissible. That is an opposite view is given by Justice Tinga. Justice Tinga thinks that NTC can issue the press statement, and that is valid, while the DOJ he votes to nullify the pronouncements of the Secretary of Justice.
Velasco is under the head.
Well, magkabaliktad sila eh. So parehong naging 10-5. No? So parang cross out lang silang dalawa.
Meaning we can air regards to this.
Okay, what the court ruled here is that it is nullifying the warnings, issued by the majority, The majority has nullified the warnings issued by the NTC and the Secretary of Justice, as they constitute prior restraint.
Pero with regard to... So, paano yun? Ang implication of the
the court is not saying that you can air or you cannot air. That is your judgment call, if you want to air or if you don't want to air. What is at issue here are the warnings issued by the Secretary of Justice and NTC. No, because that's even debatable. The CDs, So that would be media's judgment call whether to air or not to air. We have existing laws. That's your own lookout.